In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your downloaded files on your Samsung Internet. The first step is to locate the Samsung Internet app. So for me, if I go to this page, it's there at the bottom right-hand corner. I'll tap on Samsung Internet, and then at the bottom right-hand corner, it says N with 3 horizontal stripes. Tap on those 3 horizontal stripes, and over here you see it says downloads at the top left-hand corner. Tap on downloads, and here you'll see a list of all your downloaded files with the date that corresponds to when you downloaded that file. Now, if you would like to search for a specific type of file, you want to tap here where it says all. That will bring down a drop-down menu where you can choose between images, videos, audio, documents, and others. So if you would just like to search for videos, tap on videos, or if you would just like to search for documents, tap on documents. In my case, I want to search for all the images, and there it shows a list of all the images that I have downloaded. Pretty straightforward and simple process. So that is how you find your downloaded files on your Samsung Internet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.